What's up, friends? Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram search history. Yes, you got it right. You can see whatever you search for previously within Instagram. So in order to do that, you want to click on your profile on the lowermost right hand side. Then once you're there, you want to click on the burger menu in the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll down to the third option here and choose your activity. Right, once you select that, guys, you want to go down and scroll all the way down to where it says recent searches. Now once you click on that, you'll be able to see all your recent searches. Now once you're here, you'll be able to see all your recent searches within Instagram, and that's how you can see all your Instagram search history, guys. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and also leave a comment below if you find it necessary. Thank you very much, and see you next time.